Welcome everybody to the Dandlions cooking show. And this is my assistant. I hate my job. Okay, well, we are going to be making Dandelion Supreme today. Look at around us. How are we even filming an episode right now? I don't know. Probably because, we have to, you idiot. No, I'm not an idiot, Dandelion. Okay, just, I'll give you my entire paycheck if you just follow along with this episode. Fine. Okay, what you will need is a lollipop, any kind of soda, a whisk, and a bowl. Wait a second, that's not a bowl, that's a candle. Yeah, it's a bowl, duh. Look, there's empty space inside. Fine, okay. So, and we probably don't need those. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is take your Dr. Pepper and pour it in. Alrighty, only pour in about half of it. No, don't listen to him. Pour in 3/4. Yeah, sure. See how that works. And then take your lollipop and crush it up into pieces. I don't want to crush it into pieces. I'll give you all the money in my bank account. Fine. Now that that's all crushed up into pieces, just stick it in there. Yum, yum, yum. It's gonna be yummy. Alrighty. Then you're gonna take a random letter thing, and then you're just gonna write the recipe we've done so far. And then you're gonna take your whisk, take your whisk. Then you're gonna mix it all up. Alrighty. And then now that everything is blended in to make a about orangish mix, you're just gonna go over here, set it to 3,500 degrees, and then just wait a half an hour. Okay, it's a half an hour later. I'll go get it. Alrighty, I got it. Yum. Now we have to let it cool before we eat it. Alrighty, it's been about 10 minutes. Yep, it looks good. Alrighty, let's cut it. 3, 2, 1. That tastes gross. Yum, it tastes amazing. I'll give you my house if you just say it's amazing. Fine. It's amazing. You know what? It was terrible. I don't care about the money. I hate working on this show. Hey, the balls. My show spells, come back. Cut the cameras. I said cut the cameras. Fine. Don't cut the cameras, okay? Come on, this is a great fight. Wow. Just come back. Please, I need you. You know what? I don't care about the money. I don't care about any offers you give me. You're not getting it. I hate you, Spills, but we have to do the finale. Thanks for watching. Bye. # do your thing.